ग्रुप सींतल्यान इराण आनी जर्मनी पेजात खेळ करीत फिफा अंडर-17 वर्ल्ड कपाचे नॉकआउट राउंडात पावले। शुक्रारा इराणान फातोड्ड्या जाल्ले मॅचीत कोस्टारिकाक 3-0 गोलांनी धुले। कोचीत जाल्ले मॅचीत जर्मनीन गिनीक 3-1 गोलांनी मारले। ग्रुप सीत इराणान 9 पॉइंटां सयत पयली सुवात जाल्यार जर्मनी 6 पॉइंटां सयत दुसरी सुवात जोडली।
Well, we're awarded a penalty. Thoughts on that one?
Yeah, for me it was. I think he's grabbed his shirt. There might be suspicions the first contact was outside the box, possibly. But I think if you give the advantage to...
Yeah, I mean, that was almost an aggression there, body check.
Yeah, he's used his body.
No doubt about it. Interesting, though, there's only really one team in it, and horror show there from the right back, giving the hospital pass back to his centre half, and drawing themselves level.
I think they will get better. As I said before, it's not going to be an easy match for Germany. The physicality they have, they will be more stronger than Germany, I feel. Germany will get tired.
I think we've got to say, great composure here. He drags the ball.
We played against a very strong team tonight, especially in the first half. We made a few mistakes. We were a bit nervous at the beginning. We conceded 2 penalties, which was, of course, a big disadvantage. Then in the second half, we took the initiative. We were more offensive. But we were playing against a very strong team, which made our life, of course, difficult. And then overall, in terms of the experience, I still think we shouldn't have lost the match against Germany. And then against Guinea, we played quite well against a physically very strong team. And tonight, you have all seen that it was not enough to be able to get a better result against a very strong team such as Iran.
Good afternoon to all the journalists that is here and say hello to them.
البته که ما امتیاز به دست آوردیم فکر می‌کنم که هنوز کار اصلی ما تو مرحله بعد.
Of course we get 9 points, but the best and the main important things is at the next rounds.
نباید فراموش می‌کنیم که جام به کسایی که تیمایی که 9 امتیاز دارن نمیدن.
We must not forget that the world will not gain to the teams that reach to 9 points.
ولی اینکه بچه‌های ما تو 3 تا بازی تونستن ثبات داشته باشن و هر 3 بازی رو خوب کار کنن نقطه امیدواری.
But it is important and good for us that the players get 9 points in the group stage, and we hope to this way.
این نتایج خوبی که برای تعداد گلی که زدیم ما 10 گل ثمر رسوندیم، فقط یه گل دریافت کردیم، نشون دهنده اجرای برنامه تاکتیکی دفاع و حمله است.
We are scoring 10 goals and just conceded 1 goal, so it shows and demonstrates that our plan in defending and attacking schedule is successful.
लायट आणि नळाच्या कनेक्शना प्रमाण घराघरांनी ब्रॉडबँड कनेक्शन पावोवपाचो सरकाराचो प्लान आसा म्हूण आयटी मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला। नुवेचो आमदार बाबा शेंडिसाच्या 50व्या वाडदिसा ताणें आयटी सेंटराचें उक्तावण केलें। सेंटरांत खंय SC, ST, OBC भुरग्यांक कोर्स फ्री आसतलो।
तुम्ही लायफान सक्सेसफुल जातले जाल्यार टेक्नॉलॉजी तुमकां एडॉप्ट करचीच पडटली, आणि टेक्नॉलॉजी एडॉप्ट कशी करप इज ओनली थ्रू नॉलेज. नॉलेज फॉर द पुअर, नॉलेज फॉर द रिच अशें केन्ना डिवायड नासता. ताजे खातीर जेन्ना सेंटर ओपन जाता, इन्फॉर्मेशन जितले तूं गॅदर करता, नॉलेज जितली गॅदर करता ती लायफ टायम उरता. मनी कॅन कम, मनी कॅन गो, नॉलेज कॅन ओनली बी टेकन, नॉलेज कॅनॉट गो फ्रॉम यू. And this knowledge can allow you to better your skills, ensure that you are a good citizen of the panchayat where you stay in, or of the constituency where you stay in, or the state where you stay in, because शेवटी सरकारचे धोरण एकूच असता की to make a good citizen so that the state can prosper well. The government has a vision today to take broadband services to every household. जसे उदकाची पाईपलाईन सगळ्या घरांत वता तशी कनेक्टिव्हिटी सगळ्या घराक दिवची हे सरकाराचे आज धोरण आसा, जे श्री मनोहर पर्रीकरान सांगला लेट्स टेक इट अहेड म्हणून. दीज थॉट्स विल कम थ्रू. गॅविन आमचो आगातीचो गॅविन हू इज गोइंग टू टेक दिस कोर्स फॉर यू, he's got a passion, I believe, when he was talking, to give some knowledge to the people. I think you have to take maximum benefit. SC and ST community, जैसे बाबाशानान सांगला, these are free courses. But general category, we are talking about a housewife, we are talking about a mother, we are talking about a senior citizen. A mother who finds a gap with a child, looking at a smartphone, looking at internet and not knowing anything. She has an opportunity today to learn. A senior citizen whose children abroad, who wants to use Skype, who wants to use certain technology, internet, whether emails or bakiches, he has an opportunity to learn.
उपकार आठयता देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या IT मिनिस्टराक, कित्याक हो IT कोर्स तेणे आमकां एकूच उतरान नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक दिलो. आमी एक दीस वचोन तेका ऑफिसान मेळ्ळे आनी सांगलें आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जायतो ST लोक आहा आनी आमकां IT एड्युकेशनाक लागून मातशें हेल्प जाय म्हूण. ताणें एक मिनट घेयनासतना फोन मारलो आनी तांकां सांगलें बेगीचे बेगीन तयारी करात आनी हो कोर्स आमकां फावो कर म्हूण. आनी हो म्हाका दिसता 8 to 10 डेजा भितर हो आमकां आयज आमच्या भुरग्यांक ST ओ SC भुरग्यांक हो कोर्स फावो जालो. हो कोर्स ST OBC हांकां फ्री, पूण हेरांकूय आमच्या जनरलांनी हो कोर्साक पार्ट घेवपाक जाता, पूण तांकां फी हारी करची पडटली. फकत ST आनी OBCक हो फ्री आसा.
ह्या बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.